Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What are the transmission defects in the Ford Mustang? As per the complaints filed, Ford Mustangs and Mustang GTs are equipped with a faulty MT82 manual transmission that causes the vehicle to engage harshly, slip, jerk, cause premature wear and tear, and eventually result in failed transmission.
Take our lead.
5 best Mustang engines ever made. 428 Cobra Jet. Ford stuffed the 390 in the Mustang starting from 1967, but not everyone was pleased with the result. 1969–1970 Boss 302. The original Boss 302 engine was uniquely designed and created to compete in the SCCA Trans Am Road Racing Series. Boss 429. 5.0 Windsor, 5.8 supercharged.
Take our lead.
2020 Ford Mustang transmission cost. The price of a new 2020 Ford Mustang transmission could be over $3,500 depending on the vehicle. However, transmission services such as fluid changes and a transmission fluid flush are considerably less expensive, in some cases costing less than $150.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.